Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Lois Addah. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to cut and sew a beautiful cow kaftan bubu in a simple, easy to follow steps. Let's get started. So for us to start this project, we have to take the length of the gown. So ankara fabric is always 45 inches in length. So we have the length we are working on is more than 45 inches. It is 52 inches plus seam allowance. So I have to measure in the yardage form. See how I am measuring it. I had to measure 55 inches. So after measuring 55 inches, I folded it twice. That is 55 inches into 2. So after measuring it, I had to confirm if it is okay. So I have cut 55 inches and folded it into 2. So 55 into 2. Then I placed it on the table and then I'm going to place it on fold. After placing it on fold, I will arrange it very well. After arranging it, the next thing to do is for me to take the length. Remember, we are using the total length of 55 inches, which is what we actually cut. So next, we are going to take the sleeve width. The sleeve width we are working with is 12 inches, and then the shoulder slant is 1.5, which will give us total of 13.5. So I am marking from the starting point 13.5. After marking 13.5, the next part I'm going to measure is from the shoulder to the high hip, where the cow kaftan is going to terminate. So that shoulder to high hip is 25 inches plus 1.5 inches seam allowance, which gave us 26.5. So next I'm taking the neck width of 3 inches and the neck depth for the back 2 inches. I had to connect the neck depth to the neck width. Next I'm taking the neck depth again for the front of 5 inches. I will connect it to the neck width. So after connecting it, remember the sleeve we are cutting is cut together sleeve. So we have 25.5 as the total of what we have. So we are making do with all of it. So I have come down by 1.5 for the shoulder stance and connected it to the neck width, and then took the 12 inches for the sleeve width. So because it is a cow kaftan, we are not going to impute the bust circumference around that area. We are going to go down to the shoulder to high hip point, and then we are going to impute the hip circumference of 11.5 plus 1.5 inches seam allowance, which gave us 13 inches. So I'll mark 13 inches all down and then use my long straight ruler to connect. After connecting, we are now going to form the cow kaftan, that area. So see how I am connecting it, just make a curve and then sink it into the sleeve area. So that is that. It is time for us to cut what we have. So if you've watched up to this point, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Drop a meaningful comment, like and share so that more people can come across this video. So after we are done cutting, the next thing we are going to do is to separate the front from that of the back panel so that we'll be able to drop the neckline for that of the front. So I'm trying to open it up. This is what we have. So we are going to remove one part of it for the front panel, and then we are going to fold the front panel into two. So I'm dropping the neckline. After dropping the neckline, so next we are going to bring a pieces that we are going to use for our elastic casing. So it is 2 because of the 2 sleeves. So after measuring, we got 4.5. On fold we give us 2 1/4. So we are going to place it on the sleeve area, join it to the sleeve and make our elastic casing. So next we have another pieces that we are going to use for our band, our inner belt for the gown. So after that, I had to open the gown. I have some lace trimming that I'm going to use as design. I don't want the gown to look so plain. So I had to cut it according to my desired length. So I'm trying to arrange it the way I want it to look. After placing 2 at the center, I had to place 1 at the right hand side, and then I'm adjusting it to the shape that I really want. I'll do the same for the other side. After adjusting it, I am going to use my pin to secure it. After securing each of those pieces, I am going to take it to my sewing machine. I will sew the center and I will sew the sides. After sewing it, I will sew the downside of it as well. I will bring it and show you. So we are done fixing the cord on the clothes. We have fixed our elastic because we used 3/4 to sew in to fix the elastic. And after that, we also joined the shoulder and then turned the neckline for the back. So it is time for us to couple the gown. In order for us to do so, turn your gown to the wrong side. Then we are going to sew it from the sleeve all the way down to the hem. So after that, we are going to fold the downside 1 inch and another 1 inch. We'll do the same for the other side. And after that, we are going to bring the gown and show you. There is an inner belt inside too. So we are done with the gown. Everything about the gown is ready. We've sewed the sides, the two sides of the gown. We've sewed it. We've also folded the downside. And then see how the inside is looking. It's looking very neat and professional. So our model will wear it for us to see. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, leave a comment and share it with someone who loves sewing. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy sewing tutorials on my channel. See you in my next video. I am Lois Addah. Remain blessed.